how to use the Care Chat theme on Facebook Messenger. Now, let's say you have this specific friend or a specific conversation that you want to change the theme of, and you want to change that specific conversation's theme into Care Chat theme. Now, all you have to do in order for you to change that specific theme on your messenger is to tap on that conversation right now, right there, and then click on this I information right here. Now, all you have to do in order for you to change the theme of this specific conversation is to tap on themes right here on the upper side of customization, there. And now all you have to do is to scroll down until you find the Care Chat theme, which is right here. Now, in order for you to apply it, all you have to do is to tap on that. And now you will be able to see a preview as to how your chats or your conversation will look like. Now, if you're decided to use this as a theme, all you have to do is to tap on select right here. And now you have changed this specific conversation into Care Chat theme. So that's how to use the Care Chat theme on Facebook Messenger. Hope you helped.